I'm really getting excited for pool season, so we're going to check in with our friends at Pool Supplies Canada.
Is it possible to DIY your own pool installation?
DIYing your own pool was once thought to be an impossible task. With the advent of online websites, the availability to rent your own equipment, sales specialists, and fast free shipping straight to your home, today building your own pool can be done in as little as a weekend with a couple of friends and the right equipment. This can save you thousands of dollars from typically having to hire in a contracted company to come in and do all the work for you. The cost alone of installing your own pool can essentially be the equivalent of the cost of the pool itself.
What are the advantages of a roto-molded spa?
Rotomold spas are extremely strong and durable. They're made of a high-density polyethylene, which makes them virtually indestructible. And that allows us to be able to ship them all across the country without the worry of anything being damaged. They're also very resilient to the kind of harsh climate that we have here in Canada.
How do I go about purchasing a pool online?
You can purchase a pool online two different ways. The obvious one being you can visit a website, click your way through the various configurators to add your pool and equipment and accessories, and then complete your transaction as you would with any online website through the checkout portal. The other option would be to call into a website and speak to a specialist over the phone who can then navigate you through those various steps to ensure that you get all the right pieces of equipment and you complete the transaction over the phone using your credit card or other form of payment. Pool Supplies Canada is the online leader in everything pools and spas. We have a 200,000 square foot warehouse fully stocked and ready to fulfill any order that you place with fast free shipping from coast to coast all across Canada.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.